If this error is stopping you from booting into Windows, here's how to fix it. Firstly, install Autoruns, as this is a free tool designed by Microsoft in helping you manage the startup programs, services, and other similar components that run automatically when you boot into Windows. So to do it, open Microsoft Autoruns webpage. Click on the Download Autoruns and Autoruns SC hyperlink, then install it on your computer. Once done, run it as an administrator, go to the folder section, search the following, then on the displayed results, right-click and then select Delete. Then finally, restart your computer and check if the issue has been resolved. Now, if removing the faulty DLL file using the Autoruns utility did not help, then try running the built-in utilities like SFC and the DISM tools in order for you to identify and resolve any corruption errors that might be leading to the issue. So in order for you to do it, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following commands one by one, then press Enter. It is also a good idea to update your system and the critical drivers from the device manager to ensure that there is not any incompatibility problem. But basically, that's how you can fix the startup error that you have in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.